Bilang lalaki, if you wanna get the girl of your dreams, if you wanna achieve your goals and dreams, if you wanna be more confident in life, you have to become a high-value man. Let's be honest, tayong mga lalaki, hindi natin makukuha yung atensyon, yung respeto, yung appreciation kung wala tayong value. Yun ang totoo. Hindi natin makukuha yung mga bagay na gusto natin at yung maayos na trato ng lahat ng tao, yung maayos na trato ng mga tao kung hindi natin itataas yung value natin as a man. So I'm gonna share with you 5 traits of a high-value man. So ngayon, pag-uusapan natin, ano yung limang traits ng isang high-value na lalaki para i-duplicate na lang natin, di ba? Para gagayahin na lang natin. Ano ba ang meron sa isang high-value na lalaki? Una, he is confident. He knows what he wants, he gets what he wants. And confidence means na hindi man siya yung pinakamagaling sa isang kwarto. Kalmado lang siya kasi wala siyang pakialam. At kung merong mas magaling sa kanya, ina-appreciate niya yun at inaaral niya yun para maging magaling din siya. He has this inner confidence that even if he is surrounded with people better than him, more good-looking than him, more successful than him, he won't be intimidated. But instead, he will duplicate and learn from these people because he is confident with who he is as a person. And maybe he knows himself that he is working really hard to grow as a person, kaya na-build na niya yung confidence niya. He knows that he is achieving what he wants. He knows what he wants, kaya instead na inggit, confidence yung meron siya. At isa sa nag-build ng confidence niya is that he is a leader. He knows how to lead himself towards his goals and dreams. He is organized and responsible. And kitang-kita yun sa isang high-value na lalaki. Kasi pag sinabing lalaki, aminin na natin, makalat, madumi, yun yung stereotype. Irresponsable, magulo sa gamit, but a high-value man is extremely organized. Alam nila yung dapat nilang gawin everyday. Alam nila yung priorities nila everyday. Alam nila yung dapat nilang gawin every week. At kaya nilang i-lead yung sarili nila. And that is why naging leader sila. Kasi he also provides for his family. Alam niya yung responsibilidad niya. At nagli-lead siya ng mga tao. Because automatic, na pag high-value man ka, you will gain respect. Your energy represents authority and excellence. Kaya yung ibang mga tao, automatic, they will be drawn to your leadership. Mamamagnet sila sa'yo at may impluwensyahan sila. Kaya sumusunod sila sa'yo. And that is why a high-value man is a leader. Number 3, a high-value man never lets his anger and ego overpower his decision. Kasi alam naman natin, most of the time, magagalitin tayo. Taas yung ego natin. Pero isang high-value na lalaki, hindi niya inaalaw na yung angas niya, yung pagiging arrogante niya, yung ego at galit niya, magiging dahilan para magkamali siya ng desisyon. He knows how to handle himself. He knows how to handle his anger and ego. He knows how to manage his state so that he can decide better. Posibleng, ito, high-value man, kaya niyang durugin yung mukha mo. Pero hindi niya yun gagawin kasi he is in control. And for me, power is control. That even if you have this dark side in you, alam mo kung ano yung kaya mong gawin sa isang tao. You know the danger you can actually inflict to someone. Hindi mo siya gagawin because you are in control of yourself. Again, hindi ka pumapayag, yung ego mo at anger mo ang magiging dahilan para magkamali ka ng desisyon. Number 4, a high-value man takes care of himself. Loves himself. A high-value man eats well, he lives well, and he dresses well. May kasabihan, eat well, live well, dress well. Ang high-value man, hindi lang siya puro alak, puro party, but nakafocus siya sa pag-aalaga sa sarili niya. He knows the importance of looking good. And even if he is not the best-looking person, even if hindi siya sobrang gwapo, hindi siya sobrang tangkad, hindi siya poging-pogi, he knows how to handle himself, to improve himself. Kahit na hindi siya sobrang gwapo, iba pa rin yung dating niya. Ang angas pa rin ng dating niya kasi inaalagaan niya yung sarili niyang katawan, yung composure niya, at magaling siyang manamit. naiintindihan ng isang high value na lalaki na bawat lugar dapat maayos ang itsura niya. Dapat presentable siya at alam niya kung paano niya i-represent yung sarili niya sa business, sa meeting, sa mga kaibigan niya, especially sa mga mahal niya sa buhay. Number 5, a high value man is a gentleman. He is classy. Normal sa kanya yung tumutulong sa pagbubuhat, normal sa kanya yung nagbubukas ng pinto, normal sa kanya yung tumutulong sa mga tao sa paligid niya, sa mga matatanda, normal sa kanya yung pinagbubuksan ka ng pintuan, normal sa kanya yung ang mindset niya, regardless kung may pera yung partner niya, siya yung unang-unang mag-o-offer na magbayad, na hindi na yung pinag-uusapan, na bilang lalaki, alam niya yung responsibilidad niya. A high value man is someone who respects the people around him. Yun yung gentleman. Maliban sa nare-respeto niya babae, nare-respeto niya rin yung kapwa ng lalaki. And a gentleman also means na hindi ka maninira ng kapwa mo lalaki. Na hindi mo babanatan yung kapwa mo lalaki. And that's an unwritten code. Pero alam naman natin, tayong mga lalaki, tayong mga high value man, yung mga high value man, tutulungan natin. Tayong lahat, magtulong-tulungan natin.